In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subitems in Monday.com. Navigating through Monday.com for task management can greatly enhance productivity, but as tasks evolve, you might find the need to delete some subitems that are no longer relevant. This tutorial will walk you through this straightforward process, ensuring you can keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. First, you'll want to open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where the subitem exists. It's important to ensure that you're in the right board to avoid deleting subitems mistakenly. Boards in Monday.com are like the macro-level structures that house all your individual tasks and subitems, specific to projects or workflows. So once you've logged in, carefully select the board where you have that subitem that needs deletion. Once you're on the correct board, locate the subitem in question. A subitem is essentially a more detailed task, nested under a main item, allowing you to break down work into manageable pieces. Now, to delete a subitem, you'll first need to click the checkbox next to it. This step is crucial because it selects the subitem, indicating that you're ready to take an action, which in this case is deletion. The checkboxes are conveniently located beside each item and subitem for quick selection. After selecting your subitem by clicking the checkbox, the next step is to hover over to the delete button. This button is usually marked conspicuously, ensuring that this function is accessible but also requiring deliberate action since it results in data removal. Hovering reveals the button without committing to an action, giving you a moment to confirm you're targeting the right subitem. Finally, proceed to click the delete button. This is the point where the deletion process is executed, removing the subitem from your board permanently. Remember, this action cannot be undone easily, so ensure you've reviewed your decision to remove the subitem entirely. Clicking delete means you're confirming its removal, clearing up your board space for more critical subitems. Doing tasks like these aids in maintaining an uncluttered workflow, allowing you to focus on current, actionable tasks that drive your projects forward. Deleted subitems won't impact your main tasks directly, but it's always recommended to consult your team if working collaboratively, just to ensure no important information is lost in the process. That's the end of our tutorial on how to delete subitems in Monday.com. It's a simple, yet effective way to keep your digital workspace organized. Thank you for following along, and feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a quick refresher on managing your Monday.com boards effectively.